This is our Flex pleated panel, G4 rated, and it's an alternative to our standard pleated panel. It can be used in exactly the same way, so to filter air entering or air leaving a spray booth or product preparation area, but it does have a number of advantages. It's stronger, it has flexibility, and it has a higher filtration quality. So if we just touch on those quickly, strength. You'll notice that it doesn't have a cardboard frame to it. Okay, it also has these hot melt strengtheners on either side that holds the pleats in place, so that's your strength. Secondly, flexibility. As you can see, the filter's flexible. That makes it easier to fit into your booth. It also makes it easier to remove it. It also makes it stronger when it's in storage, so it's less likely to get damaged when it's being stored or when it's being transported. Finally, filtration. With the standard pleated panel, the pleats are held within the cardboard frame. With this one, the pleats are hot melted onto the frame itself, so it is one unit, it's one filter. So there's no gaps, there's nowhere around the pleats that the air can pass and potentially take dust with it. So this has a higher quality of filtration for you. Now these come in a range of sizes, the same sizes as we offer the standard pleated panels, including thickness. So this is a 2-inch, but we have 1-inch and 4-inch as well. So these are our Flex pleated panels. If you want any more information, just contact us.